In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple email addresses to a contact in HubSpot. This is really useful if you have contacts who use more than one email, like a work and a personal address, or if they've recently changed companies but you still want to keep their old details on file. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so HubSpot can track all those emails under the same contact record. First, log into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see a series of icons. Find the CRM icon and hover your mouse over it. When you hover, a small menu will appear with different options. From that list, click on Contacts. This will open your main contact list. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the specific contact you want to update. Once you've found the right person, click on their name to open their contact record. Inside the contacts page, you'll see a left-hand panel with key information, including the primary email address. Look for the field labeled Email. Click directly on the existing email address in that field. When you do this, a small pop-up will appear next to it, showing you more options related to that email. On this pop-up, look for the option that says Add Email with a plus sign. Click on that. As soon as you do, a new email field will appear, allowing you to type in an additional email address for this contact. Carefully enter the new email, making sure there are no typos, because HubSpot will use this for communication and tracking. When you're done typing the new email address, click Save. HubSpot will now store this email as part of the same contact, so any future activity from that address can be associated with this person. If you want to add yet another email, simply repeat the same process. Click on the email field again, open the pop-up, choose Add Email, type the new address, and save. You can repeat this as many times as your setup allows, keeping everything neatly organized under one contact. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to add multiple email addresses to a single contact in HubSpot, so your records stay accurate and your communication history remains in one place.